Welcome to Automate 2025. I'm Nicholas Burchard, Product Line Manager at Laserax, and I'm proud to introduce to you the future of laser automation, our all-in-one laser robot cell. This is more than a laser system. It's a turnkey solution engineered to automate your marking, cleaning, and texturing processes with speed, precision, and adaptability. At its heart is our high-performance laser system paired with a 6-axis robot, delivering unmatched flexibility on complex parts. Our intuitive software makes jobs setup easy to put into production. You can create, adjust, and deploy jobs with minimal downtime. Whether you're in automotive, battery, foundry, or aerospace, the laser robot cell adapts to your reality. It's built to scale with your production needs and your quality standards. We designed the cell for seamless integration, from laser process development, design to installation. And with our team behind you, you will never be alone. At Laserax, support is not an add-on, it's part of the product. Come see the laser robot cell in action right here at booth 1323, or visit us to schedule a live demo. Let's build the future of manufacturing together.